Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern training and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. In this video, we are diving into the world of contemporary wall decor with stunning 3D and 4D wallpaper designs that will take your interior spaces to the next level. Whether you are looking to revamp your living room, bedroom, or office, these innovative wallpaper ideas are sure to inspire. In this video, we showcase a variety of eye-catching wallpaper designs from geometric patterns that create a sense of depth to mesmerizing 4D effects that seem to come to life right on your walls. We will explore the latest trends, color palettes, and installation tips to help you achieve a professional look in your own home. Explore these incredible design ideas and transform your space into a work of art. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor inspiration. Remember, a beautifully designed space can uplift your mood and enhance your living experience. Let's get started on this design journey together. Choosing the right 3D and 4D wallpaper for your space involves considering various factors to ensure that complements your interior design and achieves the desired effect. Here's a detailed guide on how to make the best choice. Number 1. Start by determining the overall aesthetic you want for your space. Do you prefer a modern, minimalistic, classic look? Knowing your style will help narrow down your options. Number 2. Think about the function of the room. For example, a bedroom may benefit from soothing, soft 3D wallpapers, while a living room or home office could showcase bolder, more dynamic designs. Number 3. Choose a color palette that aligns with your room's existing decor or the color scheme you plan to implement. Harmonizing colors can create cohesive look. Number 4. Determine the level of intensity you desire in the wallpaper design. 3D wallpapers can feature various patterns like geometric shapes, floral motifs, or texture effects. 4D wallpapers may include motion elements or holographic designs. Number 5. Pay attention to the texture and material of the wallpaper. Some 3D wallpapers use embossed or textured surfaces to create depth. 4D wallpaper may have a glossy or reflective finish for added dimensions. Number 6. Consider the scale of the wallpaper pattern in relation to the size of your room. In smaller spaces, option for smaller scale patterns to avoid overwhelming the area. Number 7. Be mindful of the room's lighting. 3D and 4D wallpapers can interact differently with natural and artificial light. Some may create more pronounced effects in certain lighting conditions. Number 8. Before committing to a particular wallpaper, order sample if possible. Testing samples on your wall allow you to see how the design looks in your specific space and lighting. Number 9. Check the installation requirements for chosen wallpapers. Some designs may be more challenging to install than others. Also consider the long-term maintenance as some materials may require special care. Number 10. Set a budget for your wallpaper project. Prices can vary significantly based on the material, brand, and design complexity. Make sure to factor in installation costs as well. Number 11. If you are unsure about your choice, consider consulting an interior designer or a professional wallpaper installer. They can provide valuable insights and ensure a flawless installation. Number 12. Ultimately, go with a design that renovates with you. Number 12. Ultimately, go with a design that resonates with you. Your space should reflect your personality and style preferences. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the perfect 3D or 4D wallpaper that not only enhances your space but also creates a visually stunning and harmonious environment. Selecting the right 3D and 4D wallpaper for your space is a creative and thoughtful process. By defining your aesthetic goals, considering the room's purpose, paying attention to color, textures, and design, and accounting for factors like lighting and budget, you can make an informed choice that transforms your space into a work of art. Remember that personal preferences play a crucial role, so choose a wallpaper that resonates with your style and personality. Whether you are aiming for a modern, classic, or elastic look, the right wallpaper can elevate your interior design and create a visually captivating and harmonious atmosphere in your home or office. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.